Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to become an admin of any group on WhatsApp. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what you're going to do, you got to double check on your avatar icon if there is the new update coming, including the WhatsApp. So if there is, just go ahead and do it, and if there isn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, and then I'm going to go ahead to my browser. If you want to rejoin a group, or you would like to be an admin again in any group, you need to ask the group admin to make you one. You can contact an admin of a group you are in by tapping group info, then tapping the name of the admin that you want to message, and then you're gonna ask them to add you or re-add you as an admin to that group. So you won't be able to make yourself an admin. You can't make yourself an admin in any group. You either have to be prompted admin by another administrator, for example the group creator, which is admin by default, or you have to create a new group. In that case, you will have to be an administrator by default. So you can't be an admin in group created by someone else unless they promote you as an admin. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.